We've been working hard on the joiner's marking gauge. So let's take a behind-the-scenes look at the action. First, we're working on the beam of the tool at one of our state-of-the-art CNC lathes. After the cycle is complete, the operator meticulously checks the beam for tolerance to ensure accuracy. Then, across the shop at a CNC mill, the body of the tool is machined out of solid blocks of aluminum. The freshly milled aluminum parts are sent over to our tumbler to knock down all of the rough edges, giving them a nice smooth finish. This week we're also working on the dovetail marking gauges, which we machine out of aluminum on the CNC mills. Both the joiner's marking gauge and dovetail marking gauges are anodized with our signature red, and finally laser engraved with scale markings and artwork. These tools are now headed to assembly and will ship soon, so stay tuned for more one-time tool production updates.